sharing some casual spring outfits with you so you can look chic and put together no matter what you're doing, whether you're headed to the mall, chilling with friends, grabbing brunch. You want to look put together, but you want to be comfy and cozy and chic this spring. I got some looks for you. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jordan of Little Miss JB Style, your pear-shaped shorty style guru, sharing casual spring outfits. And when I mean casual, I mean casual. I even have a sweatsuit. Pause for shock, because you know that is not my usual go-to, but I did want to share from super casual up to a little bit more dressy with jeans. I really wanted to share those go-to cozy pieces that you would wear, but how you can make them look a little more put together and polished for spring, no matter the occasion. That's what I'm sharing today. As always, if there's a piece you are loving, I absolutely get it. It's in my closet. You see me slaying it, and I am queen of the rewear. So you know if I bought it, you're gonna see it again, and I absolutely love it and stand by it. So it is linked in the description below. I will say that some of these pieces are old or sold out, so the links that you find there will be similar in price, quality, and style. With that, I'm going to go ahead and go straight into these casual spring looks for you. First, I wanted to start with a sweatsuit because that is like the quintessential cozy outfit. You might want to go run errands really quick, super casual. Personally, when it comes to choosing sweatsuits, I like to go with lighter colors for spring. They feel so much more unexpected than black or gray. And this cream set from Nasty Gal is absolutely perfect. Now, if you want to dress this up, start by adding sneakers in the same color. I have these cream ones from Nike, absolutely love it. And also go with matching accessories, something different than just your crossbody bag. I would reach for a bum bag instead. It's definitely different, and slung across the chest, it looks so chic. From there, just add a layer. I chose this denim jacket. This is like the quintessential cozy spring casual outfit idea. I love it. And again, I think the lighter color sweatsuit, if you want to stand out and look chic, is going to do that for you without having to do any extra work. And if you aren't a sweatsuit person, don't even worry about it. You could easily do this with like a cute matching workout set too. To take this sweatsuit up another notch, keep the same sneakers. They're gonna look so chic, super comfortable, but swap out a denim jacket for a fun jacket in a longer line. I have this one from H&M. It has me in its clutches, and we see why. That texture, the color, it just screams spring on top of that cream sweatsuit. So chic, right? Then instead of reaching for the same colored purse, go with a purse in the same color as your jacket to add even more color. So this is a great way to play with a pop of color for spring. Outerwear is a great way to do that. Accessories are a great way to do that. And both the jacket and the purse add texture. I talk about this a lot. This gives an outfit just that little bit of elevation, is adding textures versus keeping it all one kind of plain Jane up and down. Now, if you are a neutral girly, don't worry, I got you. Swap out the sneakers, add some booties. I have these nice white ones. They're old from Forever 21 that go with everything. Instantly, the outfit's elevated with the booties, right? But you can take it a step further and add a super chic trench coat, right? I have one in almost the same shade as a sweatsuit, which again, makes it so chic. You know I love a good monochrome look, right? This feels so elevated, and again, you can do this with any color trench coat. You can match it with your sweatsuit. You can use it to add a neutral to a colorful sweatsuit. And then, of course, I just went with, because I like me a monochrome look, the tabby purse from Coach. So chic, so classic, and again, just a very elevated way to wear your sweatsuit for spring. Before I get into the rest of the looks, if you are finding this video helpful, do me a quick favor, just hit the like button real quick, a little quick boop a loop, you know. That helps this video reach even more people and help them get the inspiration and outfit ideas as well. Next, what I've been seeing everywhere is wide leg sweatpants. I have these brown ones from Nasty Gal, and yes, you can wear darker colors in the spring. Don't feel like it's all about the colors. So I'm gonna make this super casual. I have the matching crop top long sleeve. This is from H&M. Again, cute monochrome, but to keep it casual, I went with these really fun Nike sneakers. They have the animal print on the side. I love the pixels. And to keep with the monochrome look, again, you know I just cannot help myself. I added a shacket because a shacket, the wide leg pants, it's super chic, super laid back. You have just that little bit of skin showing, right? So it's super fun, still very casual and polished. And to, of course, take it up a step further, add a little more texture, the Brandon Blackwood bag. What? You know I love this bag. I'm obsessed with this bag. So this all brown look with the pop of white in the sneakers, so fresh for spring, and a good white sneaker will go so far no matter if you're wearing sweats or jeans. This is a great casual spring look. To elevate wide leg sweatpants even more, I went ahead and swapped out the top with a cute little tank top because I'm assuming it's going to be a little bit warmer, but then add a trench coat, right? Same sneakers, but this just elevates it. A trench coat, you can't deny it. It just gives an extra layer of chicness when it comes to spring, and especially if you have a lighter color to offset if you're going to wear something dark, it just gives a more spring vibe. And of course, polishing it off with the Brandon Blackwood, I cannot help myself, but such a super chic casual way to wear some wide leg sweatpants. Now, if you really want to elevate and dress up some wide leg sweatpants, swap out the sneakers. We're going to go with some booties again. Feet might be a little cold. I like a pointed toe, and of course, I went with brown. I suggest going in the same color as the color of your wide leg sweats because that's going to help keep your legs nice and elongated. Then I added this really sleek asymmetric tank top. An elevated basic is such an easy way to instantly give your outfit a little bit of je ne sais quoi without having to do as much because, yeah, you could wear a regular tank top, but this just steps it up, let's be honest. From there, you can leave it as is if it's warm enough, but honestly, a blazer, you can't go wrong. Adding a blazer over some wide leg pants like this, I could almost get away with wearing this to the office, but it's still very comfortable, very casual, and that is because you have the wide leg sweats, very comfortable. The top, honestly, one of my favorites from the line by K, so breathable, so comfortable. And then again, just the blazer helps to step it up. I decided to play on the white in the blazer and with my top with the tabby purse, but you could easily go with a brown bag and just solidify the look that way as well. Okay, but before we get into the rest of these looks, I really want to know, did you spring break? Did you get to go somewhere cool? Did you just get to stay home and relax? Let me know in the comments if you had a spring break and what you did. Unfortunately, I did not get to spring break. However, I did get to go spend some time with my family in Florida. My grandpa is a hobby Porsche racer, and so he really loves to race. And there's a track down in Florida called Sebring where they do a 12-hour race. He doesn't race. He's a little old for that, but he loves to go and watch the cars that go down there, Corvette, Porsche. So we as a family go down there, watch the race, and just hang out and have a really good time, which is part of the reason I haven't shared a video lately. So I appreciate your patience with me as I got my life back together. But yeah, that was what my spring break was, and I'm really curious what your spring break was. Comment below. Last but not least, denim. We all reach for denim for kind of a casual, cozy look. Wide leg denim is going nowhere, so I have this pair from H&M, and I have an entire video on the best jeans from H&M if you're pear shaped to check out. Again, going with an elevated basic, so you have this cute tank top, but it's cropped and it's got the ruche detailing on the side with the ties. Super cute, and that already kind of elevates the denim. So from there, I'm adding just some sneakers again in the cream color to kind of match and play on the white in the tank top. Then you're going to layer with a shacket. A shacket, again, you just can't go wrong for spring. These are going nowhere, especially if you have a cute light color, something with some pattern. This is a timeless piece. If you don't have a shacket by now, honestly, I absolutely suggest finding just one that you really, really like. So this is a shorter style, and it's faux leather. This look got so much love on Pinterest, and I just polished it off with the Coach Tabby purse, playing on the white and the creams together. You don't have to be overly matchy, even though I like to, but this is a really cute, chic, cozy look and way to wear your denim. Now to step up your denim a little bit more, try a bright button up. A pop of color is so fun, so easy. You don't even have to change out the shoes. You see I have the same sneakers, but this plissé top adds texture, it adds color without having to do the absolute most, which I really, really love. From there, if you want to play even more with color, you can go ahead and add a colorful purse. I have this green one from Bird Bee. I absolutely love it. This gives you some color. It's still casual, it's still chic, and very, very elevated because you have the different colors and the different textures to play on. If you're not quite ready for some color, you are a neutral girly, don't worry. let me put you on elevated basics. You heard me mention this a little earlier in the video. This is an easy no-fail outfit. So you have this really cute cropped button-up. I got this from a local boutique called 111. I really, really love it. It's white, you cannot go wrong, and it's fitted in all the right places. Then instead of the sneakers, to give this a little more dressier look, I added these platform sandals because you are gonna see platform sandals, platform sneakers, platform everything everywhere. I'm obsessed. I'm not mad at it. I got these from Altered State. And then I just decided to polish it off with this beige purse from Birdbee, just to add a little bit more color instead of being overly matchy with the white. But this is just a super casual, easy spring outfit. You're gonna look chic, you're gonna look comfortable, and you can wear this running errands, meeting up for brunch, grabbing coffee. Just a great way, again, elevated basics. If you take one thing away from this video, invest in some elevated basics that you can throw on with your regular basics to step up your outfit. Last but not least, Denim on Denim is having an entire moment. I have had this corset top from ASOS for a long time. Here's a way I've styled it, and another way I decided to go ahead and dress it down. With the wide leg jeans and the sneakers, this is casual but fashion forward casual, right? So from here you have a couple of options. Personally, I decided to go play on the blue theme and added a shacket over top. You could do like the denim on denim if you're really daring, but I felt like this was a great way. I'm mixing some spring colors, having fun with the trend while not going too over the top. So this kind of pars down the denim on denim and makes it a little less obvious. And then from there, I just added the Coach purse. I have been obsessed with it, let's be honest. And it goes really, really well with the sneakers. So it plays on that, as well as adding even more spring, because one of the things, again, I really feel like if you're gonna swap out your accessories and you normally wear black, swap them out for creams and whites, because that's just gonna give a more springy feel to your more casual looks. That is it. Thank you so much for watching all the way through, all the tips, all the tricks, always, because I want you to feel your best, and part of feeling your best is dressing in a way that you feel amazing. And I just want to give you tips and tricks to do that. I really want you to succeed, because I know you're working. I know you're manifesting, you're putting in them hours, you have been putting the things in the journal, you have been healing, you have been growing, and you want to look how you're starting to feel, and you want to feel amazing. And I want you to reach those goals, because girl, you deserve it, absolutely deserve it. So if you found this video at all helpful, please, 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 quick second, just hit that like button, help me out, let this video reach even more people. With that, thank you again, seriously, for watching all the way through, and I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.